Today, I learned that a seller that I interviewed with for the job of selling their home has decided not to hire my team for this job, and I think I know why. Now, when you ask me to sell your home, we do an analysis to come up with the price based upon homes that are similar to yours that have already sold. And what I'm never going to do is tell you some crazy number just to get you to say yes, because that's unethical. Now, I started going online and looking at the listing, and it's crazy. They didn't do professional photography. They didn't do drone work. There were no floor plans, no video, and it's just wild. And when I saw the price, it was listed significantly higher than the number that I said. Now, I hope that listing sells because they're going to break many records. But, you know, in all fairness, it's just not going to, and you deserve better than that when you do these sorts of things. The data is the data, folks.